Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the error message. An unexpected condition occurred. Not all of your requested changes in settings could be made. This is a common error on Windows in network settings, and I'll guide you through two simple methods to resolve it. Let's get started. First, let's try the easiest solution. If you have VMware installed on your computer, it could be causing the issue. Here's how you can remove the VMware adapter from the device manager. Click on the Start menu and search Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, expand the Network Adapters section. Look for any adapters with the name VMware. Right-click on each VMware adapter and select Uninstall Device. A confirmation window will pop up. Click Uninstall to remove the adapter. Once all VMware adapters are removed, restart your computer to apply the changes. Now, let's test if we can modify the network settings. If this method resolves the error, great. If not, don't worry. We have another method that involves editing the Windows registry. Let's dive into that now. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type regedit and press Enter. Click Yes in the User Account Control window to allow the registry editor to make changes to your computer. Now, in the registry editor, navigate to the following path. Once you're there, right-click on this key and select Delete. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click Yes to confirm the deletion. After deleting the registry key, close the registry editor and restart your computer to apply the changes. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the "an unexpected condition occurred" error on your Windows computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.